Lumalaki ba ang mundo mo o ego mo lang? Yan ang alamin natin. Hi guys! Welcome back to Real Talk Hustle for today. Habang umaangat ka, may dalawang bagay na pwedeng lumaki. Wisdom or ego. At dito nadadapa ang karamihan. Biglang ayaw na makinig, biglang laging tama, at biglang kailangan laging may mapatunayan. Kaya ito ang hard truth. Ego feels strong, but it's fragile. Humility looks quiet, but it lasts. Ito ang Stoic reminder. The higher you rise, the more grounded you must become. Now, 3 practical grounding practices. Gawin natin. 1. Keep learning like a beginner. The moment you stop learning, you start declining. 2. Credit the process, not just yourself. Walang nagtatagumpay mag-isa. 3. Let results speak. Hindi mo kailangan ipagsigawan ang growth mo sa lahat. Kaya tandaan, hindi ka bababa dahil humble ka. Mas tatagal ka. Kaya ito ang Real Talk Hustle. You stay sharp, stay teachable, and stay grounded. Sana may natutunan kayo. I'm Catherine Eucor, and once again you're watching Real Talk Hustle, where we turn pain into power.